Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to Southern Biker, and welcome to a video I didn't plan on making today, but I woke up to 2 messages in 2 different group chats saying that people from a bike meet I was at last night have discovered people have been putting Airtags on their bikes. So I thought I'd make a video just showing how you find them if they're on there. So you need a phone, that's it. This does not have to be an iPhone, it can be any phone, I have googled that. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is go into your settings. I will obviously overlay what I'm doing on my phone on the screen. Go into search, and then, I mean, on my screen it's already come up because I searched earlier, but if you search tracker or tag, it should come up. Obviously I'm using a Google Pixel 7. I know this also works on Samsung phones because I've tried it on my work phone because I was showing someone at work once. And obviously iPhone it's going to work because it's an Apple tracker anyway. So if you search tracker, that's shark tracker, I don't want that. Yeah, so it will say here, unknown tracker alerts is what it's called on my phone. Click allow alerts. So here, when alerts are on, you receive a notification if an unknown tracker is detected to be traveling with you. Alerts are deleted after 48 hours. There's another bit there that shows you how it all works. Oh, that takes me to a Google form and I don't have my data on, so that's not going to load. But yeah, so you can do a manual scan, which I'm going to do. I mean, last scan today at 6:13, but I was coming home from work then. So I'm going to do a manual scan now. I'm just going to let it run. I don't know how close you have to be to them. That's the only thing I don't know. So I'm going to imagine it's pretty decent, like, search area. I mean, I'd imagine it being on my quad lock here, it's going to be enough to scan everything in this shed, I hope. So let's see if it picks up anything up. I hope not. The only thing I'm curious about is, so yeah, nothing. Apologies. So yeah, nothing's come up. The only thing I'm curious about is if you have a bike tracker data tool, or even is it a Moto Mini Moto? I can't remember what they're called. The one that you put like a SIM card and it notifies your phone. I'll put up a thing on what I mean on screen. But yeah, I don't know if it picks them up. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing if it does or doesn't, because it's probably good if it doesn't pick them up in the case of, obviously, if someone nicks your bike, they're not going to know there's a tracker on it, but then also if some reason puts one of those on your bike, well, possibly only the Moto Mini or whatever it's called, because they're small, yeah, then you're not going to know. So I don't know how it works with them, but with Airtags it should pick them up. But yeah, I've not found anything, but literally you just wave it around your bike. I'm sure it'll pick anything up. I'd say this is a really short video. I didn't plan on making it, but yeah. Hopefully this helps you, and hopefully you don't find anything. But if you do, I don't really know what, at that point, what to obviously find it and remove it. I mean, you could report it to the police. I'm not entirely sure what the best action would be at that point. I mean, I guess that'd be down to you, what you feel comfortable with doing. But yeah, that's how you set up your phone to find trackers, or mostly Airtags, on your bike if someone puts them on there. There are other brands of small Airtag-like trackers. I don't know what they're called, but I have seen them in shops, so I'm going to assume it'd pick them up as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful. Yeah, goodbye.